Welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to couple or assemble a camping burner. How to couple or assemble a camping burner. Let's go there. If you have a camping burner dismantled like this one is the burner cap. You see, this one is the pan that is part of the camping burner. The pan. Then this one is the control, from which you can control the level of flame. This is control. The third one. Then this one is the hanger. It's like the seater. So this one is the one that holds the pot, that lift the pot up. Then the final one, this is the handle. That is the parts of camping burner. So let's go there. Let me teach you how to assemble a camping burner. First of all, you lift the pan. Then bring the control. The control. Look at it very well. It has a pin. Look at it. That pin is very important. This pin is very important. Make sure that this pin enters through that hole. Look at it very well. See? Fix it so that it enter through that hole. This one will now hold the pan so that the pan will not be rotating at any time. You see? If you fix it, you see that it comes outside. Yes, this is the pin. Then as it is now, you bring your hanger, fix it like this. Don't turn it upside down, just like this. You look at it very well. It has strut on that pan. Make sure that the hangers are well set on the pan. You see? Yes. You now bring your top burner. Turn it this way. Now fix it through the hanger. Begin to turn it to go through the screw. See? Continue turning it. See? Before you finally lock it, make sure that hanger entered its strut. Look at it now. You shift them. Then you now continue with your turning. Screw it. See, the burner is now very tight. You can see we are getting to the end of it. See, now bring your handle. See the hole. You pass it through the hole, then check the opposite side of it. You see the hole as well. You put it there. Yes. Thanks for watching. Please do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks once again for watching.